Let's take a look at how to post on Google Business Profiles. So for one, you're going to need to have access to your Google Business Profile to make this work. So if you do a search, you got to make sure you're logged in with the correct email up at the top right corner. And if so, you should see where it says you manage this business profile. You also see all these other panels. It says only managers of this profile can see this. So that's how you know that you are in the right email account and you can actually access this business profile and everything. Now, you're also going to need a post or several posts depending on what you're trying to accomplish here. So I've just come up with a simple example. Spring's right around the corner, longer days, blooming flowers, warmer weather's on the way, spring's nearly here. Perfect time to refresh and renew and get ready for the season ahead. So posts can be timely. Often they're for like events and all sorts of different things. I'm not going to go into all the details about what types of posts and stuff you can do in this video. I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can learn more about all of that. But I just, for this video, want to show how to actually post on your Google Business Profile. And typically you're going to use some text and an image in order to post on your profile. So if we come back here, there is, if we scroll down, there is this update your customers option where you can click add update. And that's going to allow us to select an image, which I already have the image here. So I'm just going to drag and drop that image in. And then we're going to, we're going to pull in some text as well and drop it in here. I just recommend creating this ahead of time in like a document or somewhere. And it is good to use a button too. So you can go, use book online, order online, buy, learn more, sign up. There's some different options. This is optional, so technically you could just give a update, which is what I'm going to do. Just keep it really basic and simple here, just so you can kind of see how this works. But in most cases, you do want to like drive people to take an action. There's also a call option. So if you have a phone number associated with your listing, there will be the call option. So there's a button that you can associate with the post, which is great. So then if somebody sees the post and they're like, oh, interesting, maybe you have like an event that's coming up and people can go and actually book for that event. Then you can put the URL or the link where people can actually go and book that event. Or order online, buy, there's sign up for the event. There's different buttons you can utilize here. So it's great for events, updates, discounts, promos, that sort of stuff. And when we post this, you're going to see, well, it's going to take some time for this to get reviewed and approved. But once that happens, you will see this post show up on your actual profile itself right here. So if somebody does a search, they find your business and they're looking at all this info, they might see, oh, look, they're running a promo right now. Let me reach out or let me stop by and, take advantage. So here you can see it's good to use the promo info in the actual image itself because people can spot that quick and easy. And then as time goes on, you can start collecting a whole selection of posts here that people will be able to check and see, kind of what's been going on lately. It'll have the date and all that good stuff. So that is it. If there's anything you have questions about in terms of how to post on your Google Business Profile, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries. And you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website. And we'll look forward to working with you.